Hi, I'm Rekemeyer with Rekemeyer Insurance. With the individuals that actually work at those companies and some of the individuals we've got that bought their own plans, we've been able to show them zero premiums in some cases, so that's 100% savings. It really is a credit to what we can do for our clients. We're not the biggest out there, but we want to be the best. So we're going to specialize in getting to the bottom line and helping you get the results you're looking for. Well, I've seen in my experience that the bigger the company is, sometimes the less they care about details. And us being a little smaller firm, we still have the capability to work with large companies, but we make sure we work on individual needs as they come up. We don't let the details slip by at our office. One of the major frustrations we've seen is that individuals and businesses are being forced to either buy insurance or change their existing plans. Being a smaller firm, we really found options that maybe some of the larger organizations and brokerages out there aren't looking at for their clients. And so it's been something that we've been able to add to our portfolio, new options as well as older options that are available. One of my clients that I went out and helped a couple of years ago was actually a private school. Some of those teachers had experienced a lot of difficulty with either pre-existing conditions or finding a plan that was affordable to them on their salary. I took another agent along with me that works at my office. It was really a neat deal because at the end of the meeting, we got everybody on plans and covered. One of the ladies, she broke down and started crying with me and my other agent, and really just thanked us for being able to help her out because she had been struggling to find a plan that would take care of her and her family, which was very important to her. The agent looked over at me and said, "I've never been a part of a company where somebody cried because of what I was able to do for them." I had a situation earlier this year where I went into a company. It was actually a salon and spa. They have about 60 employees. When I went in there, the receptionist greeted me, and the person I was looking for that handled the benefits was not there at the time. She told me that they had already bought a plan, and I asked her if she knew anything about it, and she told me, "Well, don't tell anyone, but I'm going to go ahead and share the booklet of benefits with you." After thumbing through this little pamphlet that she got from her insurance carrier, I realized that the plans were pretty high out of pocket. They weren't the best. And I asked her, I said, "Well, what are you going to pay for these plans? Do you know?" And she gave me a look like it was pretty expensive. A few minutes later, the woman I was looking for did arrive. I asked her, and she said she bought a plan, and she actually opened up the pamphlet to me as well and asked what I thought. It ends up that working with that client, I'm able to save them over 60% from what they purchased just 2 weeks before I got there. One of the main reasons that I actually got in the business is I realized that other brokers and agents out there that were selling health insurance didn't have the compassion and the passion that I have for my clients. I make sure that whatever I advise for my customer, that it's going to be the best for them. Give me a call, go to my website, and give us your information, and I will make sure that we contact you immediately and give you the best advice that we can.